Hi, it's Emily.
She
forgot her name, sorry. I don't know what's wrong with her.
It happens a lot.
She has her mind on Mr. Rogers, you know. We just found out nice secrets about him. Yeah. Well,
let's have a moment of silence.
Yeah, can we have a moment of silence? That would be nice. Stop laughing. Just chill out, okay? Okay. Oh my god, an attack dog. Sorry. We're taking a moment of silence!
Yeah, I'm Mr. Rogers.
Jake, sit down. We are taking a moment of silence.
For Mr. Rogers. Do you
Yes.
remember him?
Yeah. Remember him? No. Shut up.
Did you just get that on video? Okay, good.
I hope so. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Alright, Mr. Rogers.
Yeah. I can't do the silent thing. Okay,
It doesn't
anyway.
work for me.
No, it doesn't. And, well, I don't know. This was really funny in our other video, but, like, somehow it just, like, got lost. I don't know what happened to it, but, oh well. But telling people about where, because we're like, ew! And they would want to know that.
Americans.
See the glowing stuff around it? I got that on tape. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Jake, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Jake?
No, that's a freaking.
Say hi to the camera.
You ruined it.
Hi, Jake. Hi. Oh, yeah, well, our goal is to laugh, and eventually we want to understand how to use. How do we? Someone tell me.
I took the purple marker away. You don't grab the.
Tell me how to voice like that. How do you? Help me.
No, you don't.
If you fast forward it, how? I don't get it.
Okay, so
Jake, you're not smart. Shut up.
Yes.
Yeah.
or the really hot guy.
Really? Yeah. We need your cell phone number and your AIM.
Wait, what? What's his name?
And your address. His name is Mac.
Yeah, Mac.
Time wasted. Oh, wait. Time wasted chasing cars? Yeah. Sorry. My brother's distracting me. It's fine. I'm sorry. Ooh, okay, I'm just gonna shut up.